You are very long time na here in the abroad, here in Hong Kong. Uh, Sometimes many OFW doesn't have savings. Yeah, it's real talk. Very long time in the abroad, working like an OFW. But because here in Hong Kong, you can buy anything. Oh, you can buy anything. Very nice clothes, very nice shoes. So they always buy like that. No, but for me, I didn't buy. Oh, if I have a one shoes like this, yeah, you see my shoes is no good. But still, still can use. I didn't buy because we need to save money, my friends. Oh, we need to save money. No need expenses. No need expenses like buy clothes, buy anything. Ay, problem.